Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chases, puts a smile up on my face.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. This is Home by Delaney and my name is Delaney. In today's video, I'm sharing with you part 2 of my 2025 fall decorating series, and we are here at my coffee bar. My coffee bar is by far one of my favorite places to decorate for any season or holiday. I love coffee so much. Anyways, I am decorating with tons of classic colors again, lots of oranges, pumpkins, some greens sprinkled in, and of course some neutral colors and all things pumpkin spice. So grab yourself a pumpkin spice latte, hot or iced, or if you want like a blended drink, a tea, just a cozy drink, and either decorate along with me or sit back and relax. I hope you enjoyed today's fall decorate with me video. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, so I want to share with you the items that I'm going to be using to decorate the coffee bar for fall. There's a lot here. My coffee bar is like my absolute favorite spot to decorate, and I've picked up a lot of pieces over the years. I don't think I have anything new though for my coffee bar this year, but let's go ahead and pumpkin everything. This was a Ray Dunn from TJ Maxx a couple of years ago, and then a lot of this is from Hobby Lobby. So these two little cupcake trays, tiers or whatever, Hobby Lobby. These little light up mugs, oh, Hobby Lobby. And this little barista gnome, these little spoons, this sign, Hobby Lobby, these little picture vases, Hobby Lobby. These, I want to say, these might have come from the Target dollar spot. They're just little cute Sherpa pumpkins. Orange mugs, Hobby Lobby. This, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby. These little espresso shot glasses, these little mason jar shot glasses. All of these signs here, Hobby Lobby. This is also Hobby Lobby. And this was from a random decor store near me, but it's this nice little Collins brand that I love. And then I'm gonna decorate using Baby's Breath from Hobby Lobby, my favorite fall eucalyptus from Hobby Lobby. And then I also have these little white pumpkin mugs. These are actually from a hide and eek from Target last year, I want to say. And then I also have some of these Ray Dunn towels that say pumpkin everything, which match my mug. So that's it. We'll see. Obviously, I still have everything else that's going to go in the kitchen and throughout the house, so might change some things out, but let's go ahead and get started.
Branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low. Dancing through the last days of September.
And it is not a coffee bar without all of the coffee syrups and sauces, and Tarani is my absolute favorite for sauces. And then I use the Jordan's skinny syrups for my syrup bottles up there. But on this lower shelf, this is where I keep the sauces, and I'm just adding in all of these pieces from Hobby Lobby. And then that top shelf, of course, is all of my syrups. And then here on the other floating shelves, again, I'm just adding in my decor pieces, and I like to decorate like symmetrically but in diagonals, so you can see that on the lower left shelf I have an orange vase with eucalyptus and a little light up latte. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for this upper right shelf and just kind of switch things around until, I feel like it just makes sense to me, and that's just like the fun part of decorating. I like to do a mix of like everyday coffee decor and then of course my seasonal holiday coffee bar decor. Fall is definitely more on the most pieces are going to be seasonal, so that's always just super fun.
Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold.
And then moving over, so this cabinet here is from At Home. We got it when we moved in like 4 years ago, and I love it. I use it for all of my coffee mugs, hence the coffee bar. This tier tray is from Creative Co-op on Amazon, and I absolutely love, love, love it. So again, I'm just going to bring in my coffee decor pieces, decorating symmetrically as much as I can and balancing the colors. And of course, I have my pumpkin spice coffee bar sign up in the front. And then oh my gosh, I absolutely love this pumpkin shaped little creamer and the little pumpkin shaped espresso mugs. Everything is just so fun. And when I tell you like how happy I was while decorating, I mean it. Like I was just totally in my element. This is my season, and I love, love, love all things pumpkin spice. So definitely stick around for the end of this video. I'm going to share with you a brown sugar iced pumpkin spice latte recipe with cold foam using my Nespresso Virtuo. So super delicious, but this decorating is giving me everything right now.
When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low. Dancing.
And then over here I have it's technically a little pot rack, but I just love it because I love adding mugs and towels and just other hanging decor pieces. So that's exactly what we're doing, bringing in my pumpkin everything little towel and the 2 white pumpkin mugs and a little pumpkin spice sign. And again, it's just all things pumpkin spice right now, and that is exactly what I want.
The last days of September, I wonder where they're going. The flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing.
And yes, we do have 2 coffee machines. We have an Espresso Virtuo and a K-Cafe Keurig. and we love them both. I mainly use the Nespresso. My husband mainly uses the Keurig, but I still do use the Keurig. It's just easy, and I love making at-home lattes with my Nespresso. So I have this little gold bar cart from Amazon, and I thought it would be fun to add in some, of course, more fall pieces here. So I keep this gorgeous call at home, it is a home decor book. And I do use it as decor. So I'm going to style that with my little mug with eucalyptus and then add in my little hello fall sign at the bottom. But this is how everything turned out. And it's a small space, but it is probably my favorite spot in our entire house. So please enjoy this mini tour, and then we'll go ahead and make an iced brown sugar pumpkin spice latte.
But maybe someplace far from you and I. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are dancing through the last days of September. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are
Okay, so the first step, and you don't need to do this part, but you can make some cold foam, and there's a lot of fun DIY ways that you can make cold foam. My Nespresso Virtual Frother does have a cold foam setting, so I love that. And then you're going to, of course, the brown sugar part, add in a tablespoon of brown sugar into an espresso glass or just into the bottom of your cup. And then of course you want to pull your espresso shots. I am using my double espresso Scuro in this, and I absolutely love it, but it is just so delicious. So you're going to pour the shots over the brown sugar and to let those notes mix together. And I did put some of the pumpkin pie Tarani sauce into my glass already. And then of course we're going to mix the espresso into the pumpkin sauce. And then you're going to add your milk. I love oat milk. I use the unsweetened. I think it's Planet Oat. You'll see it here in a moment. And I like to do a little bit of a lighter ice. And then I will add the cold foam and some pumpkin pie spice on top.
dancing through the last days of September. Dancing through the last days of September.
that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed my 2025 fall coffee bar decorate with me, and that it gave you all of the cozy autumn vibes and all things pumpkin spice. And I have a few more fall decorate videos coming out still, so stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, and have a beautiful day. Bye.